Good morning, everybody. I'm Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and today's a special edition episode, bonus, depending on how you call it, vlog. Today I am not going to work on the parts car. Today I'm actually taking that thing racing. More specifically, SCCA SOLO racing, autocross. Local region's having an event. I am part of the region. I'm on the board. It's fun times. It's good racing. Probably gonna be the last one before we get shut down because of, you know, virus in our state, because the way things are going. So, but that's what's going on today. So I'll probably have some light footage of racing, me at the track, the event, some of the cars. So that's what today's gonna be. Like I said, I've got another 1993 convertible that I'm gonna be running. So maybe later in the episode I'll talk about it, what I've done to the cars lightly. Not a whole lot, but something in that fashion. So anyway, that's today's episode. Next time I'll see you, we'll probably be pulling into the track. So event. So alright guys, we'll see you there. Let's do a nice... Hi everybody, look, it's a race, but there's only two of us so far.
There's three of us.
Well, there's three. Two cars. Well, third one's way over there. You can't see it. It's early in the morning, and I have to wear this because that's what the event says. And that's okay with us. So, yay! Somebody's Subaru. Say hi, Derek.
Hi.
He's having battery issues this morning.
Not happy.
Because someone had to go super lightweight. And you smell like you got coolant.
Oh, it always has coolant.
Does it?
We don't pay attention to that.
Making YouTube videos. Course just got it set up behind us. I just got done walking it. Hopefully I'll put a shot of me doing a hyperlapse through it just to have an idea. Today is being a good day. We're gonna take a look at a couple of people's cars, do a couple walk arounds, play you some sweet music, and yeah, that should be today. A lot of fun stuff, a lot of cars, load car turnout, but you know, the whole virus thing going on, it is what it is. So, but that's what's going on today, guys. and all the fun stuff. So yeah, this is my fun time. Oh yeah.
Good. Do you know how to do this thing?
No, I suck at it.
Oh, that's fun. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna start here. No.
Oh yeah, hang on.
Wait, what?
What? I don't think you tell me.
No, I was gonna say you do this.
Oh yeah, that.
So now we gotta start over. Okay, ready? So,
okay.
2 hands.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can't. I can't do that. Just so you know. Woohoo!
Woo! That
Look at
is
this.
funny.
There you go.
There you go.
That should do it today's episode, folks. Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys out at the track, at the event. There's some pretty cool cars. It was a pretty light car count, but every region in my state was having a race because SCCA Solo Nationals got canceled, or would have been next weekend, so everyone uses this weekend as a prep to go to Nationals. But Nationals isn't happening, so everyone still had events, and everyone went to them. So car count was pretty low today, but on the side note, got lots of different runs. Got 10 runs. In fact, 5 runs in the morning, 5 runs in the afternoon, and we flip-flopped the courses. So you ran it one direction in the morning, one direction in the afternoon. It's sort of like a Nationals, and you added your score together for that. It was actually pretty fun. It's pretty cool. So, but that's was today's episode. As you can see, per the last episode, I got new lights in my garage. Hopefully you can see them behind me. I put in 10 LED strips. They were on sale at a local place for like 13 bucks. Great investment. It was fantastic. On the side note, Z ran pretty well. I need to be a better driver. That's usually how these things turn out. I'm hoping that I just get better. I mean, it's just practice, 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 like everything else. So this episode should air Tuesday, I'm hoping, or get dropped. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I know it's nothing that I normally do for working in the garage, but it's why I work in the garage, is have fun at the track, enjoy this stuff, and have fun in the car. Like I said, most people don't see 300ZXs around in my area anymore, let alone a convertible. And I'm hoping to be a twin turbo convertible next year when I actually get around to working on this engine to put it in that car. At that, I will take you all on that journey with me, because realistically, you guys, dropping a video every day is helping me stay productive, stay active, to do stuff, to keep going. If I didn't, this stuff would just constantly build up in my garage, and I'd be like, hey, I should go work on that. Boy, I don't know. But you know what? Because I'm talking to you guys, just like you should all be doing projects like I am to keep moving every day. So anyway, this is Z James, this is Z32 Workshop, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can find some good music for you guys to enjoy the shots. Alright, see you all tomorrow.